catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank, bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank on the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank, bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank,
She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout,
Where the killers and the traitors.
she said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go.
G's and the B's.
OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coaching Izzy that knows where the B2Ps go. OGs go there.
I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah.
The Underground Railroad,
To the ground, railroad,
yeah, yeah. Oh, I said hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches with the play. Roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Coaching Izzy, they know.
Coaching Izzy, they know.
Where the B2Ps go, the BCPs. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Ocean Izzy, they know. Where the BTPs, where the BTPs go. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I thought of a woman with a brilliant mind, and I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. Yeah. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want.
I gotta be in.
The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think
Man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing now, they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation.
She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout,
Where the killers and the traitors.
she said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go.
G's and the B's.
OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2Ps go.
PCP.
OGs go there.
I just found my people, yeah.
The Underground Railroad,
To the ground, railroad,
yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches with the play. Roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place.
Oh yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we catching.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan the CSO, and Hobby the Maestro.
No,
2:46
Java
p.m.
the Gambler.
Java
the Gambler.
It's May 1st. I'm playing League of Legends TFT. I'm up $46,000 on my funded and cash accounts today, so I'm done trading. I'm ending Friday on a good note. Hobby's going to do his thing. He's going to trade. I'm going to chill and hang out with the homie while I play some TFT. Hobby, how you doing,
Okay,
brother?
hey, good, bro. We just caught a 50-point short in the Discord. If you guys did not join in, YouTube gang, you just missed that. We're done. We're done for Power Hour. Now we're just gonna hang out, talk. We're gonna read you guys bitching and moaning. Why aren't you guys taking trades? Wah, wah, wah. Right. I'm gonna enjoy my Friday. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I got like 5 hours of sleep last night. Had a weird ass dream. I can't even remember it. Oh my god, the short is still shorting. 817 gave way. Now we're back to that bottom 790 area. Back to the top side of orb, like I was telling the Discord earlier. It's now a 55-point short. If anybody's still in it. Smooth break of levels. We hit the top side of orb. Got a bed of levels down here. But yeah. So how's everybody's Friday? How you guys all been? How's yours Friday, bro? You banked in, you already made 20, 30K again. Like nice week as usual, bro. Like
Yeah, I'm good.
Amazing.
It was a solid trade day today. I have a new strat that has a 1 to 10 R multiple, but it only shows up half the time. It's got about a 30% win rate, but the R
Mm.
multiple is so big. And if you have good risk management, you're chilling. So I
Hell
lost
yeah.
$200 on that trade. And then I had a nice little special trade setup that I have, and I ran the long all the way up and across 25 across like 35 accounts. I made about $46,000. So I'm very happy with the day.
Nice.
Very
Nice.
happy
All
with the
right.
day.
This bounced right off of the orb. Now I think it's going to search for potential lower high. Potentially, if it can hold up and cross up. Maybe to the 850. Maybe. I don't know. I'll be cautious here. 788 is a bottom area for me on the 5 that is going to be potentially strong. Which I would love to see it get tested, honestly. If it does pull down a little bit more. Unless we just get a complete meltdown at the end of power hour, which would be incredible. But if this is gonna be the potential, the 5 minute made a newer low, so we're kind of getting the flip over here. Made a higher low here, lower low now. If it's gonna hold on to the top side of freaking orb, trying to see where it could potentially go to. But if this is gonna get really weak, it could just start melting. 792 is the next level on the 1. Then we have 88 and 82. So this whole 80 area, the 780 area has got some strength for me. Dude, I expect him to make $1 million this morning on that long. Phew, maybe he did. Now that long this morning was clean. I caught a good chunk of that morning long. Some of the quantum gang did too. It's a pretty crispy move.
Belveth, Akli, Briar, Cho.
Let's see. Music will go off at the front. Yeah, join nothing.
Need a Kaisa. Need to get a Kaisa.
JT Glenn, I ain't joining nothing. I have blown so many accounts because of you guys. Because of you guys? You mean because of you? Because of you and your
You're a
dumbass
pussy,
inability
and you're
to. Yeah,
a grown adult that's
dude.
needs fucking their hands held by other people. Everything we do here is for
I've
entertainment purposes.
only taken
You're a
like 2
talking bitch.
losses this week, and they were like 10-point, 7-point risks, and then the rest of those were winners
Yeah,
out
you
of
just
like
sound like
the
a fucking pussy.
5,000 trades I take.
Bro.
You little crybaby. He needs. He's the new little baby dick. Needs his little he needs his little wang held to go pee. Needs to get his little flat ass wiped. Got to aim for 10 points. Yeah, I go for one. If I'm risking 10, I go for 10. If I'm risking 15, I go for 15.
Can
We're
you bring the
currently bouncing
missus
off the top
to
side.
MOT Blitz? I don't see why not. You just got to make sure that she signed up or whatever.
It's just funny. Look at this guy, just 245, and we still getting this trash music. Like he's straight up one of those YouTube haters right now. Like just straight up one of those. Look at this push up right off the top of orb. You know how to take it. I mean, this is Max stuff. Come on, guys. Max King of Orb. We're gonna take a bounce of orb here. So now I just got runners running. Just again, we could hunt for a new higher low here, but I'm just gonna take those 15 points I got. And I'm gonna trail my last 2. Those that know, not looking for too big of a move because again, we are kind of downtrending now, but that was just a nice little 15-point push from the Orby
Really
Orb.
increase champions attack speed by 20%, decrease their size.
Huh?
Yep.
Who would want to decrease their size? Is it the goal to increase your size? Right? 1 minute potential range forming here below 806 on the 1. We're going to see a continuation down to the potentially 790, maybe break orb. All right. That was a nice little quick move. Now, well, yeah, we're going to get the continuation down here, looks like. All right, dude. I expect Logan to be full port. Let me see any more spicy comments on the YouTube. Probably full ported silver daily. Yeah, that's horrible. I traded silver micros for a little bit, and trading silver micros is like trading a freaking mini on NQ. Dude, I only seen green days of power hour. Yeah, I know. Like, we take losses here and there, but the losses never outweigh the wins.
I took a loss this week. I took actually 2 losses. Yeah, I took a loss this week, and I took a loss one of the mornings. Maybe 2 losses in the morning this week.
Izzy and Coach were getting some hate last night too. Like freaking YouTube just comes in with like the swarm. Okay, that broke the blue. There's the retest. Now you want to see it stay under 806, but we got that pocket below. We still got the orb. Yeah. If it pops over 806, 820 could get tested, the top of that purple. We are sitting at that 792 level still. So I want to see if this purple breaks. If this breaks to the top side up here at 820, then I think we're going to potentially make a higher low on the 2. I'm sorry, a lower high hunting. Maybe to 55. I'm going to wait though. I still have to wait if 820 can break. If 820 rejects. Let's see. Still on the top side of orb. SPX bouncing off its bottom of orb. So this is an area to potentially hold. We got a bunch of levels below here, right below the orb as well, kind of giving it a little extra cushion. I think they went to intention posting negative comms. I think they want to get. Yeah, I know. I think I said that earlier, didn't I? That I wanted to read haters. I think I set it up. Test. Wildfell's bullish move there. Yep, but it's still sitting at the top of orb in the level. So here's where you want to play caution with that, Yuck, right? Yes, it was a failed bullish move, but you still have, this is where you have to respect orb and levels. So now we had another bounce with another bullish candle showing up for that little push up. But we're trapped. We're trapped between 820 and let's say the top of orb at around 795 area. Now it's going to be, what are we going to do here? Is the 1 minute going to go hunting for a lower high if this is where it's going to kind of go? Or is the 5 minute going to do the same thing and look for lower high potential? This is actually gone.
What am I supposed to do with all this AP?
So waiting to see if that 5 minutes gonna gun it for that 820 break. But gotta respect orb. Always respect the orb. All right. Rejecting 820 just a little bit. So this is where we're trapped. All right, what do we got here? I favor the longs. I mean, at the tops of orb, yes, the longs are great. SPX is bouncing off the bottom of its orb. Right, here's the 820 break. Let's see if this thing can continue to move. It needs to hold over 820 now. We could potentially shoot for 840, 850 area. There's a lot of room up. Will it get up there is a question mark. I don't know. But gotta respect orb. So now we want to see if 820 will hold. Make that push next leg up.
I just rolled over Tom Kench. There you go.
Also needs to reclaim like all these little areas it broke through before. So this support at 828 that became resistance. Looks like that's what we're rejecting right now. So that's what we're rejecting. So it needs to like overcome all this stuff. This support area that became resistance where previously we caught that short. Break and retest, rejecting it right now. And now we have another purple candle. So we're just going to hang out down here. This is going to be our range area, looks like. Oh, never mind. Didn't want to stay. Didn't want to stay purple. 5 minutes trying to pull up SPX. Let's see what SPX does here. SPX is also forming a little range here. So SPX has Little quantum range going on. So if SPX can hold on to that 233.82, NQ can hold on to this 807.50. Continue to break over 20 and hold 820. That's the key for that.
I got cooked on items. Items are garbage. I'm holding third place right now. I'm sitting in third right now.
Oh, 2 minute giving another quantum purple, so gotta be careful here. Because now this is gonna be, let's see if it stays purple. This is gonna be the barrier to the top push. I'm gonna change this. Get rid of the other thing now. This is gonna be the new barrier, 807.50. And we're just gonna start probably curling up here. It's gonna get tighter and tighter and tighter as we start ranging more and more. SPX did break to the down of its blue, but it still needs to break underneath orb.
For Pivot Hunter core, for Pivot Hunter purchase, check out my YouTube. It'll tell you how to use it. Pretty straightforward.
807 holding. Yeah, I'm gonna bounce off 807. Hit 808 and a quarter. Oh. This is no longer good for me. I'm gonna use this 2 minute at 825 now. All right. Just chilling at the top of orb now. It's just chilling at the top of orb. Just hanging out now. Let's wait and see. I mean, as long as it holds 807, I mean, if it's below 807 is a 10-point stop loss. Below 90, keep scalping it up to 20. And when it gets close to it, hit 808, hit 809, pushed up to 819. 820 is still kind of like that little area on the 2 minute. It is 826 exactly on that purple. So she's curling up. 5 minute, trying to curl up a little bit. SPX hanging out. Yeah, it's just sitting at the top of orb right now. Top of orb holds. It's pushing back over 820 again. See if it breaks that 2 minute.
Can you
820.
explain what the ATR is for the indicator real quick? Average true range is the average size of the candles.
What's orb? Opening range breakout, Aizen. You're in the max options trading Discord, the king of orb. The opening 15-minute orb, the opening New York session. Go check out Max's YouTube videos if you haven't yet. He has a lot of free chicken on those old orb videos. Go watch those. Highly, highly recommend. It is my understanding that you do not have a training course. No course yet, Miami. In the works. In the works. It will be a kind of like, I'm going to call it the maestro mind. Probably sounds cheesy as fuck, but I don't care. The maestro mind. The size of the candle. What's a candle? Obese, raunchy, butchio. What the fuck is that, Skyka? Obese, raunchy, bitchio.
Is
Oh,
this
here's that
season
push up.
super item dependent? Is this season super item dependent? I'm getting
Anybody in this classic orb bounce right now? We're getting that 26 break on the 2 as well, so we should see a push. SPX pushing out. This is classic orb, guys. This isn't even like, you don't need anything special. This is just classic orb bounce with a few other confluences, giving that top side of orb a little extra strength. Have the levels, blues showing up, had a bed of levels right underneath. This old blue candle at 7.99. Not old blue. This is a new blue. Never mind.
Yeah, I'm playing TFT.
The 5 minute. The 5 minute at 7.88. But we are still downtrending. So where will it peak? That's the question mark. Where will it peak? Look at that. Look at that move. There it goes. Lean, move up. Whoops. And I messed up I don't know what I just did. Somehow my order got taken up. I definitely clicked on something. I clicked on something and canceled my freaking trade.
I'll never understand how you guys scalp orb, brother.
It's
I've
take
got
yeah.
hundreds of thousands of dollars in payouts on just orb breakouts alone.
There's science to playing orb. I recommend going to. Well, you're in the YouTube right now, Max Options Trading YouTube channel. Go check out some of Max's old YouTube videos on the orb. He gives out some chicken on orb trading. Here's that push up. Look at anybody in this long. You're smooth sailing. Even on that top of 807, 809, 810 area, you're up 30 points. Classic orb play with a few quantum confluences on giving that bottom area strength.
All right, I need one Rek'Sai.
Where's that guy? Where's that guy that wants his little wee wee? His little wee wee held to go pee, and his little bottom wiped with the baby wipes. Where's that guy? Life's yelling at me. I can hear. So yeah, go check out Avni for real. Though go check out those YouTube videos. Like he gives a little bit of free
Those
chicken.
guys are
Obviously,
same build as me. Oh, he barely beat me.
okay, fine. I'm sorry, tiny baby
Top
dick.
four.
I know that you were the original. You're the
I'm in
original.
top four.
All right, where are we gonna potentially reject 850? This area right here, between this area and 850, if this is gonna try to form a new high or low. On the 5 minute, it could go all the way up to freaking 870 though. The 5 minutes giving me a blue candle, so it could push. So again, top side of orb on NQ holding, bottom side of orb on SPX did hold.
Do I play LOL? Yeah, I'm playing League of Legends right now. I'm playing TFT. I'm doing Primordial Briar. I'm in third place right now. We just got to the top four. This one guy I didn't notice. I wasn't paying attention. He's going my entire build, so we're kind of competing for it. He's in
Very
second
nice
place.
trade. All right.
I just beat the guy in first place, though. Get fucked, kid. Get fucked, nerd. Oh, all right. We just got a 3-star Rek'Sai. Now I just need one more Bel'Veth.
All right. Here's that push. Here's that push to 850 coming in, I think. 5 minute can push a little further.
I play League and TFT. I play both. Usually I'm an ADC. Makes sense. Military background. My mains are probably like Jinx and Jin. Overall, I would say for ADC. I'll play any role though. I enjoy any role. Doesn't really matter. But my primary is usually ADC, Jin and Jinx. For ranked, ARAM, Brawl. What's that other one that they have right now? Yeah. I've been playing this game. I've been playing League since 2012 also. I'm a level like 300 plus. I have like hundreds of thousands of dollars of IP from just playing forever. Like I've been playing this game for a very, very, very long time. And no, I'm not as good as a lot of these fucking nerds in here. I just don't commit that much.
Do we answer this guy? I'm Phaeton for the Pivot Hunter Pro after purchasing it without the course. Is there a tutorial? Okay,
Yeah.
you did. Okay, awesome.
Yeah, YouTube.
Yeah,
Coming across the map with Jinx ults. Yeah. Well, Jin is where the sniping really is. Any type of teammate attack, I fucking snipe my W right onto them, snare them. Pop, pop. You post your gameplay on YouTube? Nah. Like I said, I'm not that serious about it.
Wesley Guard's he was the one that got his account hacked, right? Wesley Guard?
Yeah, he's good now. He should be good now. He messaged me before.
Yeah, he's saying he's timed out. He should be, well, we'll see.
Oh my
Alright.
dude, this guy who is doing my build is beating me with one Kaisa with 60 health every time. I'm beating everybody
SPX is
else.
approaching. All right, SPX is approaching a bit of levels here as well. So 851, 855. This
That
is
bell
where
left.
the potential 1 minute higher low can be, but if it does break through, 870 is where the 5 minute would potentially head to, close to it. But
Dragon
this is
Ball
where I
Z
would
clone of League of Legends.
see if we get a rejection here. Where
What?
we at?
Like Dota?
Dota? What's Dota?
Ah, dude, fucking Dota was the shit. Belbeth, we're good. All right.
Oh, that's quick.
Now I should be fucking cooking with gas. Let's do what other item do I want to throw? Kaisa, attack, caster. Will she do good with the Nashers? No, I'll throw that on Kindred. Oh, I just did that.
Kindred.
That didn't make sense.
Let me go to. How do I do this? Oh, yeah, right here. All right, all right. I want to see this 5 minute lock in, make a little pushy push, and then maybe come back down if it can reject this area.
I started playing Kindred on just like random games like Brawl and ARAM. Kindred is actually like, she's an older champion, but she's easily becoming one of my favorites again. My OG was Warwick. Like that's who I started with when I first started playing. Or the original Aklai or the original Scion. Original Scion, you could fucking click and stun, press R, and he gains like 200% life steal and attack speed. And you would just bait somebody under tower, and then you would just fucking stun and just fucking hack at them.
You know, for someone that likes to call people nerds, that sounds super nerdy.
Oh, it's fucking League of Legends is nerdy as fuck.
Dude, I'm like, listen, I'm like,
Yeah,
I don't
League of
know what
Legends
any
is
of that
nerdy
shit
as
is.
fuck. Straight virgin like game.
What's my
Like,
bottom left? So bottom left, bottom verge. So this one's the 2 minute, 1 minute. So you'll see the 1 minute up top, the 2 minute at the bottom, NQ 5 minute over here. This is SPX right down here. All right, looks like it's gonna rip to 870. Gonna break these 55. Looks like we're gonna get this push to 70 coming in on the 5 minute. This
I
5 minutes
don't really
kind of
call
giving this
people nerds
potential.
per se because I'm 100% a nerd. I love
Potential.
anime. I love comic books. I love
Oh yeah.
video games. I'm as
Oh,
nerdy
reject
as
that
it gets.
855. Oh, I'm a nerd. Yeah, I'm super nerd, not with games though. Like I haven't played a game in a while now. I feel old with that now. I don't know why.
We're in second place. We're in second place right now. When I call somebody a
Yeah.
nerd, I don't mean it in the same way as like the classic nerd. I call somebody a nerd because I don't know. I don't really know what when I say somebody. Yeah, maybe like a virgin, I guess.
All right. So this 2 minute level at 855 is currently holding it down. Currently holding it down. It did break the 1 minute level. Looks like it's kind of trapped within that 1 minute level
We're
break.
cooking. We're cooking.
That 2 minute level's next. At 855. 855 needs to break, and maybe we'll get that push up to test that 68, 70 area.
All
And
right.
that's where I would like to see it reject on the 5, honestly, if it gets up there.
It's two people left. I'm fighting for first place now.
There goes. There goes. There goes. Boom. All right. Now, what are you going to do here? Are you going to break over this 70 or not?
guys think
That's
I'm
the
fucking
question
around?
now. Is
That's a good roll.
anybody still writing this thing?
Wait, I
Who
gotta
caught
hide
that whole move?
I gotta hide my
Which
username.
one
So
of
you
you
guys don't fucking-
DGens? Which one of you DGens caught that whole move? We're having a little fun right now. This is actually kind of fun right now. That's a classic, just top side of orb play all the way up, watching it track little by little. Here's like that peak up here. This is where the 5 minute, if this is gonna potentially flip to a downtrend, this is where you do not want to see it continue. You do not want to see it break over 870. This is where I would see potential lower high forming. If it does break up, then the uptrend is still going to continue.
Posted in the
to
chat.
push.
I posted in the chat. I just beat this guy in this last round. In case you guys are watching, you guys can see. About to catch a dub on the power hour. Second place. I'm at 25 points. He's at 16 now.
Yeah, bitch.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Neck and neck.
Dude's a little bitch. All right. That's fun. That's fun. Added aggressively, scale down now. Oh my god, dude. He's got it aggressively. There you go. Looks like a lot of you guys caught that. That was just clean. That was like, I had a few confluences on that potential bounce there, but the move itself was clean. 5-minute pushed up where it was looking. You had this little 5-minute level formation that pushed it up to that 870 area. What did it hit? 67. And this is where I would like to see it hold. The 73 5-minute level is where I would like to see it hold potentially to reject. It could peek through and hit 80, but the top side break for a potential continuation up would be a break over 98 up here. This 9750 level that I got. For now, this is testing. There's that 70 tap perfectly on the dot right there. There's the 70 tap. 70 and a quarter level hit to the T. Now, what are we going to do here? 5-minute. We're going to try to rip through this. You're going to give us a little wiki wick. By 50 seconds, what do I want to do? No, I'm going to chill here for a little bit. I mean, this will be a what?
I don't know if I'm going to win this.
I think it's going to do a little peek through. We might actually make it into the 80s if it does peek through. This wouldn't be a bad potential rejection point, but I want to see the curl down on the action lines first. Right now, it's not doing that at all. That 5-minute level got tapped.
Ah! Get fucked!
73.
Ah! Let's go!
Let's go.
Ah!
Look at that beautiful up move, man. That was clean from the tippy tap of the top side of orb all the way up, almost 100 points. And we're just doing this. It's like it feels like I'm like one of those, what is it, golf commentators? Like, guys, we're just here, just peacefully collecting. We had a 50-point short at the beginning in the Discord. YouTube missed out on it. We just got a nice, almost casual 80-point move, killer trade up, slowly breaking levels, level to level, clean,
Let's go!
long there. Yeah, she's fighting this area, fighting through. The 5-minute looks like it's going to try to peek through a little bit, but this is where I want to see it potentially start to curl down. If it doesn't, then we got more room, about another little 10 maybe point move up. I would love to see this start to curl down here, but it's not doing it just yet.
Logan, have you been out of your chair much today? You was standing yesterday. Just curious. Yeah, I did. I made my money by 10, 15, 46,000, logged out, called it, hung around for the rest of the day, decided I didn't want to trade today. So I fucking hopped on a TFT game. And now I want to play ARAM. I'm going to play fucking ARAM game. Yeah.
All right. I need to start seeing the candle start closing underneath 67 for a pull down here. If it's going to happen.
Why is Logan so angry today? What?
Not at all. There's that curl down. Now, can this thing go though? This is where the higher low would potentially, the lower high would potentially be. But it needs to start really closing underneath. I need to see this candle close underneath here. Okay, it did close underneath. Went to retest immediately. I'm still sitting on my hands because the 5-minute can pull up a little bit.
All right. Should I do ARAM Mayhem or ARAM? All right, we're gonna do ARAM Mayhem. All right, somebody give me a champion. First champion I see, I'm gonna choose. Give me a champion. Here we go. Garen. Okay, Garen it is.
Garen.
Oh wait, Mayhem. I don't get to pick, do I? What did you do, Mayhem?
Garen.
Okay, Bard. That would have sucked. Thank God I didn't get that. I mean, I guess if you just go ADC Bard.
Yep, she still wants to push up a little bit. That's why I'm waiting and waiting.
My fat ass has been getting food.
It's 5 minutes. Gonna test it a little deeper, I think. That 1 minute level
Good,
did
Mayhem,
just
you don't
break,
pick
but the 5 minute needs to give way.
Callista or Tristana. All ADCs, which I'm cool with. I'm gonna do Echo. Yeah, we're going Echo. Echo. Let me get my build going. I'm doing Echo.
Oh no. Alright, there's that push on the 5 minute. That's a little push. I would love to see this close under 73 here in the last minute. If it pulls back, that's what I would want to look for. If it pulls back, for the time being, this is still looking pretty bullish. For the time being, it's still looking pretty bullish, but I want to see if this 5 minute will pull back last second. Underneath 73. It's got 30 seconds left. So
All right.
let's see if it does the magic that I always see it do. Or it says, you know what? Nah, it's Friday. We're going to do what we do every weekend, make newer all-time highs, and then Trump's going to say something. And then Monday we gap down, and then we pump back up.
Mobilizer ground.
Oh, here we go.
Gain movement speed.
Here's that 73 pull down.
103 flames in orbit you. Yeah, we're going to do Firefox.
Okay, well, there's the pull down, but will it continue? Stop loss over 78 if this closes.
Let's go fucking pure tank. What is our team set up as? What's our comp? Ramis and me. All right, I'm going tank. I'm gonna go. Wait, how much AP do we have? We have a lot of AP. All right, I'm going tank.
Okay. All right. SPX pushing down, NQ kind of hanging out.
Oh, cooking. Reno.
Can we come back down a little bit or not? I am testing a short here with the stop over 78 just to see. I'm very light. I'm not going in heavy just because of this. We did break over. The only reason I'm going in very light is because we did break over this quantum purple here and we are holding it a little bit. So I wanted to see if it will muster up some strength to push. But right now it's pausing and hanging out on top of it. So I'll probably get taken out on my little 3 micros here at 78. My entry is 69. So she's fighting right now. She's just stuck in this little area. I'm just gonna see. I'm just testing it light. We already caught some really good trades, so do not degen this and give back whatever y'all made already. Don't be idiots.
Logan probably not even playing League, and he's just playing. Shout out to. I don't know what that means.
All right. Come on. She's hesitating. She's hesitating. So
Mr. Stano's doing work. All right, there's my first death. Got my belt.
yeah, she's hesitating. Come on. Yes, yeah, come on. It's like slowly, slowly. It's not doing much. Is this? Oh, we got 330 volume coming in soon. 330 volume might peak it. Yeah, there it goes. It's gonna take me out. My little 3 micros. No. No 3 micros.
Give me a lot of feedback. Are you the only gay employee in MOT? I'm going to tell you something, Bill Rax. If I actually was gay, I bet you if you're, I could still steal her, even if I was a homo.
Oh, that's interesting. All right. And we got Bluey showing up on the 1. So if this stays blue, it won't go down unless that 66 breaks. So now we're going to be trapped between these levels. My 3 micros are still in it somehow. I think it's going to take me out. Well, let's see. Next area would be 88 on the 5. So got a little early. 3 micros, almost out, almost out. And ooh, 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 ooh. Just an 8 point loss if it takes my little micros out of here at 8.
Anyone's engaged.
78.
He was in the Navy, or maybe that makes her more straight. No, dude. Have you ever been on ship, dude? When I was on ship, the women would get in trouble because they'd be muff diving the whole time. I think I can say that on YouTube.
What? Yeah, I think you can say muff dive. Muff dive, right?
That's
Yeah,
all they did
diving the
on
muff.
ship.
Mm-hmm. It's got to be very muffy.
They were
Yep.
swimming.
Got to be super muffy. Super muffy.
And again, there are parts of the Navy where you just don't go on ship, but
All right, this is the next area. 88. 88's the next area.
Trista, yeah, whoever said
I got
Tristana's
it
OP
too
in this,
early.
she's got a penta.
The hell's a penta?
She killed the entire enemy team.
Oh, damn.
In like one rotation or source of before revival or whatever you want to call it.
I missed this 2-minute setup. 69. Oh, 69. There we go. There's 88. There's 88. This is where we rejected a bunch. This looks like it wants to keep blow. Yeah, this is looking bullish as fuck right now. Holy shit. This is ripping right through it. SPX hitting a little area. Let's see what everything else looks like. This 9750 is the last little line of defense.
Tristana is 16-4. She's fucking carrying.
But this looks like it wants to push up, dude. This looks like it wants to keep going.
Being carried so hard right now. I haven't even died really, but she's just doing so much work.
So this is literally typical every Friday. We're gonna pump up, gap down on Monday, then pump up again all week. We're gonna see freaking 30Ks.
Actually, no. Well, I can't tell right now because she has a IE, and then she also has a collector, which is lethality. I guess that's crit. Yeah, I would say crit. They're all tanks too. That's why. So, oh fuck.
Are we gonna break? This is gone. Are we gonna break that 97 level next? SPX going to challenge the top of its orb again. That was a hell of a long from the top of orb, though. Almost 100 points. But
How can we mute Logan's keyboard?
can't. Too bad. Deal with it. Stop being a pussy.
I'll try to press it more gently for you.
I actually like the sound of the keyboard. Hold on here. Wait, I gotta open it up on something else. All right, here we go. There. How did that sound?
Oh my gosh.
I actually, I
20
actually hurt my fingers on that. You can't even hear it. You couldn't hear it, dude. That sounded loud as hell on my end. hold on. Okay.
Fuck you guys.
There, did y'all hear that? Oh, we're gonna get a ripper. We're gonna get a ripper if this breaks through this 9750. On the 5 minute, it needs to break.
I know.
It's going for it. It's going for it, but the 5 minute needs to break. Rejecting right now. SPX.
I'd rather fist myself with a handful. The boys is so entertaining. It's so political.
Dude, it is so fucking good. Except for the last episode with the random Homelander. You want to fuck me? Dude, I was looking at it, I was like, what the fuck is this? Like he like bends over and shit. It's like, oh, bad boy. I was like, whoa.
You can just
Maybe
that
question my
territory is
sexuality
like
for a second.
anything conservative is crazy though.
Yeah. Dude, that shit was like came out of left field, man. That shit was so fucking hilarious.
That's fucking disgusting, Anarchy.
Dude, this thing is about to explode. If this thing could stay over that 9750, the 5 minute close below, we're getting this 330 kind of tiny push. Actually, I just noticed that it closed below it. So, let me take a look. Would like to see it hold over 890 if it's going to continue to try to make a push over 97. So if it's going to push, this 890 would need to hold. If it breaks under 890, it's no good. And I'm just watching again. I'm not in anything right now. I'm just watching. NQ showing a little bit of strength, but there's 890 kind of giving way. Will it continue though? That level did hold. That 897.50 level did hold on the 5. It did not break. But it's still looking. Yeah, it's going already. I didn't catch that short. I did not catch that short. It's looking like it wants to go. The 2 minutes lining up.
Kindred is 31 and 9.
67 would be the bottom side for potential area where it might pause. Yeah, guess 97.50 was that area. That level. I know one of our boys here, one of the P2P gang in here, caught a move all the way up to 900. So very nice. Very nice. Caught that nice 100-point right from the bounce of Orby Orb. Twas a clean move. I'm up so much chicken. Good shit, D. Very nice. Tushar with his daily
This
dono.
week went
This
really
week
great.
went
Thanks,
really
$5
great.
dono.
Thanks. $5 dono. Thank you, Tushar Mahan. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you as always. We are going to 28,000 today. I don't think well, anything's possible. Honestly, it's freaking Friday, so I would not be surprised if we did. You're absolutely right. Absolutely could. I've been in the long with 5 micros since 3 p.m. I caught the whole move, but I should have sold them at 900. Hey, doesn't no woulda, coulda, shoulda, sweet. Well, don't do that. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, bro. That was a nice move up. Whatever you got along the way, right? You don't know what you're gonna get, right? You're not a fortune teller. The looking at the play afterwards, right? If you had a runner and you ran that runner up, great, right? But you do not know if it's actually gonna make that move every single time. So take what you got, right? That's something you need to learn. No woulda, coulda, shouldas. I should have held until 900. Oh, right. Make sure you pay yourself. Always pay yourself. Trump is getting ready to talk down in the villages, Florida too. Ooh. Mm. Yeah, but what time though? What time though? All right. 90 has to be broken on the 1, 90, 50 for potential failed bearish move here. On the 5, it's still that 97.50 needs to break on the 5. What do we got? MOC is in 15 minutes, so not even close. Not even close. So caught a nice long off the top of orb, and then that short right before the show started with the Discord, and that's it so far. Took a little 8-point loss on an attempt at a short. So not sweating it for a Friday. All right, here's that push to the 90 on the 1 minute. Actually, let me move this here so you guys can see it. So that'll be 90.75 on the 1.
LT, watch my YouTube channel. It'll tell you what to do.
Yep, watch the YouTubes. 2-minute levels trying to form at 87.75. So 87.75 would be an area to keep an eye for as well. It's Friday. I'm so tired. Woo! You know what? It's fucking Friday. This week, I've been in so much fucking pain this week, dude. And this weather is just chaotic here, man. It goes from warm to cold to warm to cold. My leg has been pulsing like crazy all fucking week. And this short's shorting.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Triple kill.
My favorite experience from the military. Shooting shit with the boys, literally and figuratively. Some of our training ops are pretty cool. Deploying all over South. When you're talking about military contract, there's a strange piece to living in a combat zone when very strange. I don't know how to explain. If you've been in a combat zone, you'll know it's hard to explain. But there's like this weird piece to it sometimes. I don't know how to explain.
This is the only thing that helps the leg pain. Somebody asked if I have any plans this weekend. Yes, we're gonna take the in-laws out to DC. What's the weather gonna be like though? It's really nice out there right now. It's like 65-ish. It's gonna be cold tomorrow.
Take out the inhib.
Ouch.
Take out the fucking inhib.
All right. Oh
Victory!
shit.
We win. You hear that? Victory. All right, I'm done with League for the day. What are the charts looking like? Oh my god, it's only 3:37. All right.
Yep. Testing this 2-minute here. I want to see if it can give me 65.
Tristana's 44-12. Straight carried me.
I got really close. Who carried you? Chizdonis?
Tristana, yeah.
Oh.
Should I open up the charts? Let's see if I can catch a banger real quick. Fuck it. Why not?
Chizdonis.
Let's see what we can catch here.
Nope. Just bounced right off the blue clean. I'm out.
Let me get the VOD up. Let me get the Ninja up to share my charts too. MNQ. What do we got? Oh, we've been ripping. We got some PHP trades that happened. Action here, maybe? Interesting.
Yeah, bounce off of the orb was a nice, beautiful long.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now we bounced right off of this 66, this quantum blue. The top side is 90. It is pretty wide. 5 minutes kind of curling down. The 2 minutes kind of pointing. You got a level 86 here. Needs to break through all of these if this is going to be a failed bearish move here potentially, which looks like it's gunning for it right now.
All right, I'm going to open up some evals. Let's catch a banger real quick. How about the new alphas? Let's do that.
SPX is challenging a newly 5-minute level that formed over here at 46.23.
All right.
Honestly, the shorts aren't looking horrible. If that 5-minute SPX can hold, it's not looking horrible. But let me take a look at the 5-minute SPX real quick before I start saying anything. Let me go take a look at it. That's not a 5-minute level. What the hell? No. Then what's that level on SPX?
All right, here we go.
It's a 2-minute level. Yeah, screw that. I'm going to make my adjustments. Hold on. I'm going to make my adjustments.
A rookie card. I've seen there's an Osama bin Laden one. I can say this on the internet, right? On YouTube. Osama bin Laden one, Saddam Hussein, and a Hitler. I've seen on the internet.
There we go. My freaking SPX levels were off. Holy shit. That's dangerous.
Will I be replacing my advanced alphas with the new ones? No. If I pop them, yeah, why not?
Pop. Okay. So scratch what I said about SPX because that was not a freaking 5-minute level. I had to make my adjustments. SPX looks like it wants to rip. NQ showing weakness right now, though. NQ looks hesitant to continue. We are in a bit of a range here. 74 to 90 potentially. So what would be that mid? Let's see if the 74 breaks here.
I'm gonna fucking send it.
You're going long?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'm on the fence right now still. I'm on the fence on it. Just the 5 minutes looks pulley. SPX is making some golden MVGs. It's testing one right now.
Wait, let me see where the 5-minute place is.
So if this 74 can hold, it's not looking bad. It's honestly, it's looking. I'm saying it's not looking bad. Both sides look decent right now. In the lower time frame, it looks pumpy. On the 5-minute, it looks dumpy.
I'm not. There's no real. The stop loss would be. I wouldn't want to do it. No, I'm not going to do it.
That blue
Stop
break
loss
with
would be too big.
This is getting tighter and tighter. This is coiling up. This might be coiling up for MOC, hopefully.
Wait.
I don't have a 1-minute level to look at, though. I have the 75 cross that occurred earlier. Bottom is 366 down here.
Doubt is such a strange thing. Um,
This 2-minute area held beautifully.
doubt is such a strange thing. Um,
Got yeah, I think we might be heading down here potentially. We got to break through that 66. This was your first little quantum setup here on the break of retest of 74. This is just not a good trade to take because the space between 74 and 66 is really tight. 66 needs to break.
journey over.
And then we need to see it hold underneath 66 here.
Journey
And
over.
then maybe we'll see a move coming in.
Let's sit here and debate.
You need to see 66 get rejected.
You can. You step out there and you're like,
And then potentially you'll have a continuation push. The stop loss on this, even if it retests deep, would be above 75. Let me see how deep it goes up in here. That's what she said.
Yeah, Mamba mentality. There really is nothing. If you look back on like old interviews, like
Yeah.
with Kobe, like dude, you can't like dude's fucking absolute legend in anything that
And
has to do with.
not ready.
I think almost any sports. His interviews, like Mamba mentality, dude's just a fucking badass. His whole like mantra about like failure doesn't exist, job's not finished. There's no point in thinking about you'll never be successful. It doesn't do anything. Like,
Yeah,
dude was a legend.
hell, that sounds awesome. All right. Didn't want to hold under. Just retesting this whole area. I might get strat 6 here. Would not be surprised, but it just formed another blue below. Well, now we got a re-break here. I think it's waiting for MOC at this point. At this point, either Trump is getting ready to talk. It is slightly pushing down on the 1. The 2 just gave me a blue here as well. So, okay, this is getting rangy, super rangy. So, 5-minute looks like it wants to come down.
Jail, you're fucking stupid, dude. You're dumb, bro. I'm not even talking about basketball. I'm just the Mamba mentality. Like just how he like
Mamba.
ran it.
Mamba. Ooh, is this going to try to 3Z up here? Or is it going to be a failed 3Z down? We're just ranging. We're just ranging right now. So I have a level of 86.75 for MOC in about 5 minutes. I think it's waiting for MOC to do its thing. I got more room down than up. More room down than up. Again, I say that with a grain of salt because it could go either direction.
Thoughts on Mamba the trader? I don't know anything about him. I just know that he's a trader. I don't really pay attention to other traders outside of MOT. I'm also a grown man.
Yeah.
And I could give 2 fucks about another trader. Like I'm at like I genuinely couldn't tell anything. Like I actually couldn't tell you if another trader. You want to know why? Because I don't give a fuck. I just don't fucking care. Why would I give a fuck about any other trader?
Yep. All right.
Genuinely.
That was a nice rejection from the 77. I got strat 6, but I went in on my own strat 6, so I strat 6 myself. Took that little 10-point drop. It took my initial one out at 76 and then pushed up. And just got the little push down. Now can we keep going? You guys are not familiar with Strat 6? It is a running joke. We get wicked flipped. Lama is the original creator of Strat 6. It was always fun to watch him in the morning with Max saying, I like this, get stopped out, and then the play continues to go in his direction. It's an amazing strategy, honestly. It is an amazing strategy. We've been catching bangers. I got one little micro writing now, just one. This is I'm not ideal in like pre MOC little setup things, but let's see. Let's see what you want to do here. We are already pushing down. There's no levels. I don't have any levels. It could retest 75. That was that previous cross, the only last one that looked good. Up here, it's all mumbled up. We're floating in between everything now. So this could insta drop to orb. We're in the middle of nowhere. So today's MOC read is there's going to be no potential setup because I love to see it. What I want to see for MOC is I want to sit at a level. I want it to sit at a quantum level or the potential formation of a quantum level. And these action lines are way too far apart. They're not really close. It would need to push over 70, maybe 73 and hold for potential push up to form a level. And that's gonna be quite the feat right now. What's ATR at? ATR is at 8. Not horrible.
8.5. It's not terrible.
Yeah. So let's see. Let's see if this is gonna retest anything up there. In about a minuto. 1 minuto. 1 minuto. So I'm looking at 75 right now. That's the main area, 75. Above that, you got 86 and 97, those levels. Below, we have nothing. We have a lot more room down than up. So if this does push up, I want to see what it does if it retests these areas with hesitation or if it pushes up and then just rips right through it all. But I want to see if it pulls up, hesitates, and then maybe rejects. But for the time being, nothing set. There's gonna be a potential pop up to test this level here. It's 75 or 86. What it'll do there is gonna be what it might do. What the determined setup is gonna be. Oh shit! This is already pushing up. I'm talking as I'm saying, and I just saw my Dom go nuts. That was MOC. Okay, that was that push up. 278 so far. This is about a formal level here at 70. So there's that push up. A completely like that was weak as hell. Yeah, 27 like this now. Right now, there's gonna be a level at 69. So if it pulls down to retest 69, and it holds up, you're gonna get a potential bounce off of that to challenge everything up here. But right now, this is pushing. And that was it. This was what I was potentially looking at to happen. But this is where the hesitation is currently. I want to see what it does when it gets down to 70. Because that's where this 1 minute level is about to form. So there's 70 right there, and it looks like it's bleeding right through it. But it needs to close underneath it. That 1 minute candle needs to close underneath it. Oh, it's closed. I hate when it closes like that, but let's see. So you guys, that was it. That was MOC, right? Pumped up to test the levels, hesitation, rejection. Same routine thing that happens every freaking MOC. Goes to test the levels, hesitates, rejects, or breaks right through. There it goes. Look at that. Clean. Look at that. Clean pump up, retest the area, hesitation, drop.
But that was MOC? What the fuck?
It was MOC, yeah. Yep. Exactly how I said it. That's how it played out. Yep. Clean move. Love MOC. MOC is my bitch. I caught a tiny bit of that pump up. I could not screenshot it. And then saw that hesitation to the rejection. Now the droppy drop. Too easy. It's too easy, y'all. But if you say, did you know saying it's too easy, it automatically puts you in as a scammer or some shit? I didn't know that. Somebody like people on my video, when you hear them say it's too easy, instantly run. Look at that dumping. Anybody in this? I am up 160 on 3 fucking micros.
I didn't say
3
anything,
fucking micros.
but here you go.
What did you go? What did you get, bro? Show it off. Show it off. Let's see it.
Oops.
Hell yeah, bro. Look at that.
I didn't say
Hell
anything
to
though.
the yeah. Yeah. You don't got to. It's a chill Friday, man. It's a chill last Friday. I'm gonna enjoy the fuck out of my Friday. I got 2 micros rolling up $200. I'm not $200. $112.
Ripping.
Yeah. Yep. Thank you, senpai. Senpai Casey. And that was too easy to read. Little push up to retest, hesitation, rejection. Easy short, easy little pump up, easy short. Everybody green. Look at you, Schwab. Look at you, Schwab. Very nice day, brother. Very nice day. I traded 3 accounts in total today. This 5-minute would need to stay under freaking, let's say, 58, 57 if it wants to continue to pull down on the 5. But that was a good ass short. That was a good drop. Be happy with that, y'all. Go into your Friday. How do I get my P&L on this thing again? I always forget. There it is. There it is. Okay, so I traded 3 counts per power hour. I traded them light. I don't think I went over 5 micros on any of these trades. So was 495.55 on the wealth charts accounts. And then where was the one I just took that short on? Did it already take me out? Already took me out. 291. The trail took me out. Only collected 291 on this account. So about 800 with just a handful of micros during power hour. Not bad. Not too shabby. Accidentally left one of my fundeds with an open limit order this morning, and that ended up popping my account. Oh no, Millie.
Holy shit.
Oh no, that happens. Yeah, look at that.
I degen.
There's that 5-minute. Yep, see, that's it. That's that 5-minute
I
level. Yeah,
degen so hard. I
that
just degen
dude, just do your
so
thing,
hard,
bro.
hobby. And I clicked it like 3 more times and it fucking ripped through my TPs.
Yeah,
Look at this.
yeah.
I just
This
degened so
860.
hard.
Yep. 5-minute literally closed right underneath it, and it freaking
I didn't need a DCA. It never went zero. It never went back. I just added fucking 40 more micros and then it fucking
Gonna go collector. Can somebody link on YouTube the wait list for the course, please? One of the mods. I need to have that link available so I can do it too. I woke up minus 4,001 eval. If I got to close a trade, lost the account, it happens. Yes, it happens. That has happened to me a handful of times where I forget to close out an order and it stays in there. And then I wake up and I'm minus like 600, 700, or account popped when I used to size up. Well, right to that 5-minute level. To that 5-minute level. What are we at? Where's the not yep. 818, this 5-minute level. That is the next area we'll need to break through if you're going to get another push down.
I've got a final TP at 25. All contracts been rolling.
It's really close.
I'm currently up 369, $12,000 on the power hour. I just came in, fucking just gonna click sell. Fucking
Got in at 58.50 with 5 micros. Way to go, Lejay. Lejay. How many times today have you guys heard that annoying thing? It's gonna be May. Like, that shit's so stupid to me. Like, I heard it like 50 times this morning on a fucking radio. Every time, like, and I connect my phone. But it's because it's fucking May. They go, it's gonna be May, and I'm like, shut up already with that thing. It's every year. Yes, it's May. Hey, Sanji. No, it doesn't bother me. It's actually, I find it hilarious. I find it hilarious because it's gonna be man. And I always think about I always think about Justin with that with the perm every time.
Give me 2450.
Yeah, 825
2450. And then I'm chilling.
holding. The 825 level held pretty okay right now. It got what did it hit? What did it end up hitting? It hit 828. And let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Oh yeah, the 1 minute could still come back down. 3Z on the 2 potential. There's a potential 3Z on the 2. SPX still looking weak, yeah. Yeah, this could be the 3Z little push. Yeah, the dump was for real, high five. It was pretty predictable. I had more room down to push up. Couldn't even make it to that level of 86. The hesitation, rejection. We had that 75 level here as well, right? That 75 rejected as well. Pushed up, rejected 75, pulled down. It was just another day in the MOC office.
Bang, bang, bang.
There you go, boom. There's your 25.
$12,000 on the power.
Fuck yeah. The last 10 minutes too. Just the last 10 minutes. You're like, fuck it. Dun-dun-dun. It bounced pretty good off of that area again. But it needs to start really pulling over 835 if she's going to start to pull up further. So for now, she's just kind of hanging out here. What's time? What time is it? Oh, yeah. So let me see. Let me see.
Yo,
Okay, it needs to start pulling over 38.
These evals. Oh, wait. There's a consistency.
Close through to 738. She's holding that 5 minute level really well.
So I made 46K on my funded and cash accounts. Funded
this
and
thing
cash.
could take off over 38. I'm gonna hold on to these two runners.
Made 46K.
There goes. I'm gonna take one out
Legend,
there.
crush a TFT.
One runner left.
Russian ARAM. And now I'm on the power hour.
Oof.
And I'm up. Well, let's see where this stops me at. Wow, we got some volatility going here, Javi.
Yep, the runner's alive still. My runner is alive. I took that 825 retest.
Is my stop loss.
So that's where I was, but I got one runner left. Yeah. I wanted to see it hold over this 30 area.
Dump. Oh, you're in a long?
I'm in a long. I took that little bounce off.
I mean, I don't care if I lose. I'm in profit already, so I'm cool with whatever. I think if I get stopped out, I'll end with 3K each account.
I just took that 25 bounce. I already got majority taken out of that because I caught that at 25. I trailed out up when that pushed to 43. And I just got one runner alive. One runner's alive, and it's at break even. Has not been taken out just yet.
I'm chilling. My shit's.
I mean, so far it's not holding above that 30, that 35, 36 area. So it's looking like it might try to come back down and retest that 25. The 5 minute needs to close under 25, but let's see. This is gonna. Yeah, if this can't break back under 30 though, my runner will run. So I'm just gonna leave that little runner there at 825 entry. Takes it out. Down push is gonna continue.
Do you just full send? Sometimes.
Depends how you feeling.
Not in the morning. Power hour I full send all the time because but my primary accounts, my main accounts, my cash accounts, those are all focused heavily in the morning, and I'll take
there went my little runner.
Dumping.
My runner got taken out. This 25 area though, this needs to break on that 5 minute.
What time is it? Oh, 4:02.
Bounced again.
We fucking.
This area can melt though. If it can melt through here.
All right, I'm gonna scale in 90 more contracts.
Shoot, be careful, brother. Like for real, be careful in this area. Like I want it to break through here for you.
I'll die on this fucking hill, Javi.
Shit, man. The Dom started to go crazy here. It has to break it. If this is this little push, Dom is starting to react. So if it's gonna push down, it needs to start doing it now. Because there's gonna be a little influx, that little influx in volume coming in. So far 25 held again. Yeah,
When does
Dom's
Alpha close
speeding
the
up
accounts?
now.
What time does Alpha close their accounts? Do we know?
I don't remember alphas. I don't remember if alpha's 4:30 or 4:15. I lose track of every single one of them. All I know is TPT is the only one that lets you go to 5, right? Or does Lucid too? Is it Lucid and TPT? I don't know.
Go.
All right, this 25 just gained a little bit of strength with that 1 minute level. So if that can break, yeah, you're gonna get a nice push. But for now, that shit's holding. But we're trapped. We're trapped. The push-ups are kind of getting weak. It could go either direction from here, honestly. Are you gonna break it now, or are you gonna bounce out of it again? Where the fuck did that accent come from? The hell's wrong with me right now? Only took like 2 puffs. That isn't gonna do shit to me. I need to stop working normal job and trade full time. Save up a lot of money before you do that, Common. The mindset to do that is not easy. I did do that though. I wasn't working for months. I had no job. I made trading my job, but it's not easy. It is not easy. You have to be insanely disciplined, insanely strict, and insanely patient. It is definitely less stressful when you have a job and you have other income coming in. Way less stressful. Yep,
Holding.
volume is dying.
We're going. We're
Nope.
falling.
Break it. 18 seconds. This 5-minute candle.
Go.
5-minute candle can break it. There's a chance, but we still have this area down at 17 too, where that we have this 5-minute blue. So
Go.
this bottom area's got a little bit of strength. Go belt it. It closed above, so it's just like I want it to go for you, bro. But it's just like hanging on. Just volume is definitely dying down big time.
All right, I'm gonna start pulling contracts. Oh no.
Yeah, see, that's holding that
Wait.
freaking
All
25.
right, pulling contracts into profit. Pulling all contracts
Like,
into profit. It's gonna take a
just
bit.
break it, bitch.
It's gonna
Break it
take a
for him.
while.
Come on.
This is gonna take a while. Pulling them all
It's just
down
stuck in here.
under 30. Pull them all down under 30. Oh no. Wait, it closed me out. Close me out.
Oh, did it
405.
automatically take you
All right,
out?
well, there's your answer.
405?
405.
There you go. Alpha is 405. Pretty early.
136 micros gone. I'll take it though. Sick.
Okay, dude. All right. Look, it's gonna do it now, though.
Oh,
gonna do it
there
now.
it goes. You fucking dirty bitch.
It closed you out, and it's like, okay,
Oh, wait, no.
Logan's out. Go,
I'm
go,
still in
go,
the trade.
go, go.
Wait, I can get back into the trade. That was weird. Why'd it close
Oh
me out?
shit!
Oh, maybe I did get stopped out. Fuck it. I'm
At
jumping
the
back
bottom
into
area
short.
needs to break.
Jumping back into
818 needs to
short.
go next. You do not want to see that 5-minute candle close above 25, though. You do not want to see it regain that. You want to see it start to break 18 and just start going.
I forgot I was pulling the contracts in profit, so I think it just like cut me out. I don't know. But I'm back in the shorts. Send it.
5-minute has about 3 minutes to go, so could be a nail biter. Could be a nail biter. All right, back to 818. Come on, start
Fall.
breaking this. Yeah, it needs to break this 818 and then just start going. This 5 minutes still has about 2.5 minutes though. It's still a long time. Still a long time. It's trying to break it right now. So I want to see it break and then start to like that, and then I don't want to see it be able to pull up above it. I want to
Ooh,
see it start resisting.
go,
Nope, it's pulling back up.
go,
Okay, rejected it again.
go. How much time do I have left? 7 minutes.
Oh
Go,
wait,
go.
I just saw the Dom kind of split up a little bit, almost like it was getting ready for news. Yeah, look at that. 18 holding. Look at that. Yeah. This is this is that little last second pull up. Let's see if it can hold under 25 though, bro. You might be okay if this 5 minute can hold under 25.
I'm still up a couple thousand.
Oh, there it goes over 25.
And I close it before it turns
It's
red.
gonna close
That's the
above
plan.
it, dude.
Stay green on the power hour.
That 18 held. And then I want to break it right there. That's that blue candle right there. YouTube
we're
I don't know if
good.
YouTube can see it or not.
We're still good.
That one needs to break.
All right. We're holding 6K in profit across 3. Ooh, big failed bullet move.
Matter.
Logan, you DJ. Yeah.
I'm just watching. I'm just
going to hold this
I wanna
trade
see it go.
until 414. Or until I hit, I don't know. Oh, fuck.
Why the 5 minute and not the 1, Eddie? Because that's a 5 minute candle right here.
Wait,
That's
wait.
it
I'm
has to be
closing.
broken
Closing. I'm out.
Yeah. I degened a little bit there. I know I said I was just watching because I don't want people to like go in and then be like, oh, you guys are fading each other. But
Green is green.
took the
Green
818.
is
Yeah, green is
green.
green. Green is green. No matter what. Yep. See, I like that, bro. You know how many people will take that and then all of a sudden race to try to make it back really fast and blow their account in the end?
I don't give a fuck, dude.
Yeah.
That dude. Sam says do it. All right, I'm doing it.
Sam, you know, we're supposed to end Friday discipline. We're supposed to be disciplined on Friday. Damn you, Sam.
Which direction do I want to go, though?
Blue one. 2 is trying to curl up a little bit.
No,
back
I'm not gonna do
to
it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm green on all my accounts today. I don't want to end power hour with just. All right, I'm going short. All right, I'm going short. Fuck it. I'm going short.
Oh my god, 5 minutes setting up for a 3Z on the 5 potentially here. It's a funky looking one just because that 5 minute bottom wick is so fucking deep. I mean, that's what she said, right? Can I be using that essence pause?
All right, we're in with minis now. We're not fucking around here.
I don't know. Trump is coming out. Oh, he is? About damn time. You were Logan this morning. Quick question on the indicator. Are the EMA lines 5 and 1 minutes?
Oh, God.
These are not regular EMA lines. They are action lines, but they imitate EMAs. They have their own individual value. That's why they create the levels for us. But I do play them almost like EMAs, except for like the breaks, the holds above the lines. I don't play that. I play the crosses, and then the levels to hold. That's what I play. But they are the exact same on every time frame. In case that's the question you might be asking, they're the same value on every time frame.
Go.
Come on, it was under 18. It was under 18.
Go. We got 2 more minutes left. Fall.
Give it to him. Give it to him.
Let's go.
Tom's acting up a little bit here. Come on, it has to hold under 18.
No.
No.
Back down. Stay. Keep falling.
Come on.
How much
That
time do I have
5 minute
left?
needs to break
How much
that.
time do I have left?
If not,
A
it's gonna
minute,
spike back up
28
to
seconds, I think.
25.
Keep going. Keep falling. Trump. Call Iran gay.
Say something, Trump. Yeah,
You're
yeah.
gonna
This is,
nuke 'em.
that might
Iran's
pump it.
gay.
Dude.
I'm gonna nuke them. Market fucking crashes.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, you might. It might, but man, it might not too.
Oh god.
The 18 is gonna
Oh
hold.
god.
This is gonna push back to
Oh god.
25. Is it? It needs to hold under 25 first, but it also needs to break that fucking 18. So it's in a little tight spot. Look at that. Look at that. Push all the way back up to 25. That's hilarious. Needs to reject here though. And then you need to see it push under 18, but that thing is holding on to that bottom area for dear life. All right. 5 minute is trying to pull back down.
Ah.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Fall. Fall.
That's holding on to that area for dear life.
gay.
This thing is this
Gonna nuke
five-minute
'em.
candle needs to
How
close
much time we got
underneath.
left? Hurry up. Hurry up.
Come
We've
on.
got like 19 seconds left. I'm gonna play it safe and just try and close this before it turns 50. I don't know how strict the rules are. That's why
Me
I gotta
neither.
play smart. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep
Break
going,
that 18.
keep going, keep going, keep going. Fall, 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 fall. Fall, fall.
He's not gonna do it. She's trying to.
If I leave it open,
Up here.
will Alpha cook my accounts? Or if I close it,
I think it auto closes it, no?
what auto close? It should auto close. All right,
Yeah, it
fuck
should auto close. Yeah.
Fuck it.
Come on. Here's that 5 minute. 30 seconds on this 5 minute. Dom's acting up right now, so it's reacting. The 5 minute is acting up right now. I'm sorry, the Dom is acting up right now. So let's see what it wants to do here. Is it gonna
15
last second
seconds.
pull itself over 25? The 18 is still on this. The 18 is still on deck though. So that's the shitty part about this thing. It's gonna close below 25, but above 18. There's the break of 18.
Oh,
And keep going.
oh. My accounts haven't closed
Keep
yet.
going.
My accounts haven't closed yet. My accounts haven't
Come on.
closed yet. I don't care. I'm pulling all stop losses into profit. My accounts haven't closed yet. Moving all stops into profit.
Going here.
Oh, we're falling.
All right,
We're
we broke
falling.
25,
I'm
dude.
pulling my stops down to 15, 815.
This thing needs to continue to go. It needs to continue to stay under 18,
My accounts are still good.
and you're gonna get it, bro. Come on. I like it.
My accounts are still good. Oh my gosh.
I
We're
like
dumping.
I like that it didn't even hesitate to break through 18 after it broke 25. So that's a good sign. But I need to see it like just continue to stay underneath it and continue to pull down.
Is it going to close after the 15th? No. Maybe. I don't know what the plan is, what it's going to do here. Oh, we're just dumping. We're just dumping. Wewe're just dumping.
Hard
We're
dump.
just dumping. When does it close?
807 on
When's
the
it going to
two.
close? Does it close now? No, we're still good. We're still good. It's just dumping. The consistency is cooked. Consistency is cooked. I don't care.
Oh,
Keep
shit.
going.
Don't worry about that.
Oh, no, these are
I
advanced.
caught that with you, bro.
Good. We're good. We're
There you
good.
go.
Go,
That break
go,
was good.
Go, go,
I'm gonna let runners run now.
Go, 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 go.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Go. Fall.
Finally, the 5 minute closed underneath fucking 25 and then just melted through 18. Thank God.
Go. Pulling my stop loss above the
I'm letting
candle.
my trails run.
Pull my stop loss above the candle and we're out. And I'm going to call it there. Bang. I'll take it.
Dude, I like your patience on that.
Let's go. I'm calling
That
it
was
right
good.
there. Boom.
Yeah, he's back to where he was. Nice, man. I love that. I love that.
We'll take it. Alpha
Fuck
just
yeah.
closed at
You gotta
420.
yeah.
That's a good exit.
Thanks, MG.
Cool.
Thanks, MG. It's all your fault. He he owes you a kiss when he sees you.
Just like do it. Just like,
Yeah.
all right, cool.
Oh man. It's 807.50 is trying to hold right now. But that's it, guys. I'm done, man. It's freaking Friday. I'm done. I added a couple hundred on that one account that I traded.
I'll take it. That was a dump.
Yeah.
Good trade.
Fuck yeah, dude. That was great. I waited for that 25 to break though. Like as soon as that closed, I got in, but it wasn't the best entry. Look at back off, freaking $172,000 on the paper. He wanted to know what it felt like.
So this is the way, dude.
Yeah,
400
it's yeah.
contracts. 400 contracts. You got to bump those numbers up, though. You got to bump those numbers up,
You gotta
right,
bump
my
them
guy?
up, man. You gotta double, triple.
What if you just
that's a good feeling,
full
Schwab.
ported right now in the last minute and just saw how far it would go?
I mean, yeah, I heard the clicks. He
I know
just
you're
did it. He's like, what if?
I don't
What
know you're
if?
talking-
And it's done.
I know you're talking about, dude.
I heard 6 clicks.
Don't
I
know
don't
what you're
know. I heard the
I don't know,
quick.
dude.
No?
No, dude, I know what you're talking about.
Shoot.
You should get your hearing checked out, bro.
I gotta get my hearing checked out now.
Yeah, dude.
I'm getting old. I'm getting old, so it makes sense. Start hearing
Yeah.
shit. And I took a couple puffs of the Benjamin, so
Yeah, dude, you're just
probably
high,
hearing
bro.
shit. Yeah,
You're just high.
I know. Yeah, I'm gonna get higher. The pain subsiding. This shit really helps with pain.
45 seconds.
Get a new one soon.
45 seconds.
Come on, give him a monster dump and just fuck his consistency up even more. Just do it. Come on.
Now the consistency's good now. It dropped under 45.
Oh, it's good now? Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Okay, even there you go. There you go. Even better then. 15 minutes on 15 minis each across 5 accounts was down 1K drawdown.
There you go. There you go, Greedman. How much time do I have left? 18 seconds. Keep falling.
Okay, bro,
Keep
you're
falling.
falling.
Keep falling. Keep falling. Keep falling. Keep
Come
falling.
on. Melt.
Go.
Melt.
Go. 10 seconds. 10.
We got
9,
better levels down
8,
here.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
It's gonna hold
2,
right here.
1. It didn't close me out. I don't understand.
Yeah, what time does it end?
On a throne of lies.
We do not know. We can confirm we do not know what time Apex
Force
closes
closed
our
it.
orders.
Force closed it, but I made another $300.
Hell yeah. There you go.
I
300
gotta
bucks
stop
for
force
Ruben.
closing it. Everybody's lying to me. You guys keep telling me that it.
Yeah.
Look at that. I should have held it. You fucking liars.
Look at that. You
Fucking liars, dude. You guys want me to fucking lose. Look
They
at that
made you-
ball.
they made you push
Look
out.
at the ball.
Dude, that's the
damn
second
it, dude.
time.
I'm not
It
getting in
happened
this
earlier.
anymore. I'm
Didn't
not
that happen
touching it
earlier? As
anymore.
soon as you got
All right,
out there,
fuck
like
off,
Logan's
people.
out. Go, go,
Oh,
go,
now
go.
it's not actually letting me. It won't let me. I'm clicking sell. It's not letting me. I tried to
Yeah.
get back.
Dude, that's the
It's
second time that
affecting
shit
the order.
happened. Like Logan's
Fuck
out.
you guys.
Do it.
They hate to see me win, dude. They hate to see me win.
Nah, they're like, you win too much. You gotta chill, bro.
Look at the
Chill out.
short. I don't even remember what the initial entry was on this thing. I don't even remember what my initial entry. We dropped like 80 points.
Dude, yeah, this thing is dropping like hotcakes.
Greenman, Jesus, dude. All right, I'm done trading this. Oh, I can't trade. It literally won't let me trade
Forced
anymore.
you. Yeah. Next little level bounce, but it's surrounded 88, 805, 805 now. You got a 2-minute level at 92, so it's in that little bed. That little bed that I was looking at earlier.
Oh, that's pretty funny timing. One of the alpha guys just DM'd me. Yeah, how do you like the accounts?
Yeah.
Buddy, that'll make your company bankrupt.
Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's see.
Cool. Scaling? No, I can't trade anymore. Fuck, there is a scaling opportunity. Oh, and we broke the 5-minute, coming down to the 15-minute. You got another like 30 points of room, honestly.
Yeah. It could. I mean, I have these little levels it's sitting on right now, but yeah, if it melts through all this, it's got some good room down to the 50s. So you're absolutely right. One,
Yeah, you
two,
guys look, it's still gonna go. It's you guys honestly, you have enough
four.
at least 15 points, and then it could go to 30 points. Minimum of 15, maximum of I'd say 30 points. I'm shocked at how big the fucking ATR still is.
How big is it? Oh shit, it's almost 9 still. Damn. Okay, yeah.
By the way, I just want to show you guys. Obviously, I degened it, but that just shows that you don't need to stare. I fucked around and played League of Legends for the first 45 minutes, came on, and I still made $12,000 fucking around, not even taking it serious. So for those of you guys that like feel the need to stay on the charts 1,000 times a day, really don't.
I like how we
good
mixed
at it.
in though. Like I didn't degen it with I went in full 6 minis.
Woo!
Full size.
Love that. Good shit. Good shit. All right, let's give away some shit. I'm closing out everything. Did
All
I
right.
record that? I did record that. Let's go. That was recorded.
Oh dang.
How do I set up the indicator?
No, camera and charts were recorded.
I don't get the appeal of the new alpha accounts. The new alpha account out of any flex account. That's what's appealing to it. They'll pay out more than any other flex account.
Make sure you don't degen on the actual accounts though, back off. That's the problem. Sometimes we degen on the actual accounts. Not sure, Shrimp.
Javi,
bro.
let's do a giveaway. So for
All right.
YouTube, Friday. YouTube keyword is Friday.
Right. All right.
And Discord. What number we
How
want to
many?
go?
Damn, we only got 255 bitches up in here. Everyone took off early. Everyone's like, it's Friday. Fuck, let's go party. Let's go drink. 92. First number 92. Look at this shit dropped hard. Damn, we just tanked hard.
Is it still falling? I closed out TradingView.
It bounced off of 88 currently. Hit 800 and now it's just kind of stuck in there. It's just kind of stuck between 93 and 800 right now.
3 accounts earlier, 121,000. That's pretty nice. EC,
Woo!
EC, Futures 1, P2P, Quantum.
EC.
What's up, guys? Oh, sorry, 1 second.
Camera's on, brother.
How do I do this?
If you're on the phone, top right should be a little
No,
camera.
I'm on my laptop, but it says show
Oh.
on camera's on. Oh, never mind. I got you.
There we go.
Is it dark?
Javi.
Yeah.
It's the first of the month. It's the first of the month. It's a Friday. Give away some months on the indicators.
Do it. Hell yeah, dude. Let's do monthlies. Yeah.
Do some monthlies.
Let's do some monthlies.
Can you guys see me? It's like black for me.
EC, you're good, brother.
You're good, bro.
Yeah, open up a support ticket. I see you're a Quantum user. So open up the support ticket, get a free month.
Oh, appreciate
Logan,
it, man.
where's the best gay bars? Asking
Got
for a
it.
friend.
Guys, have a good one.
JK, thanks guys for everything y'all do.
Awesome.
$10. Logan, where's the best gay bar? Asking for a friend. JK do.
Damn, dude. Like the 2-minute, I just noticed this. I didn't even look at it. We had it initially at 330. The short began over here on this 2-minute signal up 880. It went down almost 100 points. That's nuts.
Let me see when my initial entry was.
Yeah, what was yours?
Let me pull up my trade.
You got your timing. I mean, if you held it, you would have been great, and then it bounced pretty good off 88. But dude,
I mean, I got in like fucking 4 times, but let's see.
Yeah.
Orders today. The first one.
All right, next number. Let's see.
That's 420. Go all the way up. First entry.
Coach Rowe, do not trade funded accounts.
First entry 857. Nice. Yeah, I probably got around 60 points. It's not that
Yeah.
impressive.
It,
Not that impressive. But
You
with
have
fucking
to.
15 minis, it is.
Wait, I got someone stealing my name. Maestro the AI University.
You understand Maestro is like
Yeah, that's just a word for, in Spanish, profesor, like teacher,
Yeah.
but it's also the maestro in the, orchestra. You got the maestro running the show. So that's why I picked that name.
All right, let's do another person on I become a new what is the ramp up process? What do you mean by that? What do you mean ramp up process? What do you mean by that? Also, let's do another person on the Discord. Oh, winner on the YouTube, Garen McGlory, 7. Congratulations. You won
Hey,
access to any
congrats.
indicator free for an entire month.
All right. Next number will be 128.
1, 2, 3, 4,
128.
5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, that is Sam G. He does
Didn't make
not
much
get
of
that one.
Nope, Sam G, you're forbidden because you have all of them already. All right, 17 is the next number. Yeah, it's rigged. He's like, what are you gonna give it to yourself again? You're gonna have double the PHP or double the quanta. It's gonna be like twice as powerful.
Hakeem. There you go. Hakeem, come on up. And the last word for YouTube, league. 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 Hakeem, what's going on, man?
What's happening?
How you doing, brother?
I'm good.
How's your train going?
It's going good, man. Did one and done today. I ain't want to do too much because it's Friday.
I like that. Smart man. I did the same shit. Smart man.
Yep.
Cool, bro. Well, hey,
Yeah, I
man.
be listening to y'all, so I just be soaking in all the game y'all be speaking. So I ain't about to do all no crazy stuff and go out here be renegade.
Smart.
Cause
Smart
y'all
man.
the professionals, y'all been doing it long enough. Y'all got the money. I'm trying to get to y'all level, so I'm gonna listen to y'all.
Right. Yeah, a lot of people just jump into it and just assume everything and that they're going to be profitable off of just listening, but instead of actually trying to retain the information and why we're getting in, what we're saying on these shows, even though it's for entertainment purposes only, right? But we try and make it a little educational. You know what I mean? And so you're doing the smart thing. You're taking the right approach, Hakeem, and because of that, you're also going to get a free month any indicator of your choice, brother.
Appreciate that, pimp. Appreciate that.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely,
yeah, brother.
Congratulations, man, and open up a ticket.
I got you. Appreciate it.
All right, talk to you
Peace
later.
out, brother.
All right.
Awesome, man.
All right, let's wait for the YouTube to finish up theirs. Solid Friday, solid week for me.
Yeah.
I got some payouts rolling in, I think. I got to check. I don't really check until Fridays. See what payouts I got rolling in. Good week for me. Good day for me. Good way to end the week. Fun day, fun Friday. While we wait for the YouTube. Oh, there it is. R dropped. Congratulations, R dropped. You won a free month of any indicator. And with that being said, Javi, what do you got for everybody?
Yeah, y'all, amazing week. It was a fun ass week with FOMC and everything. It was nutty, but it was great. Make sure you all enjoy the weekend. I'm gonna keep this short because I want to get the hell out of here. Not financial advice with JJ's. Please follow our socials: X, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all that fun stuff. You guys want to learn a little bit about PHP and Logan style? Go check out his YouTube channel. He's got 2 great PHP videos in there. Right? Want to learn about quantum and the way I trade? Go check out my YouTube channel. The webinar video that we recorded when we did the webinar last week or 2 weeks ago. I don't remember when it was. It's up on my YouTube channel. Go watch it. I break down exactly what I'm reading, exactly what I'm looking at. It's fun. It's awesome. I gave a little extra chicken in that too. Tip the staff. Please show your love to the staff. They're always going above and beyond. And check out the courses, check out the indicators, do whatever you want, man. Enjoy your weekend, have fun. Please spend time with the fams. Get some rest. We'll see everybody Monday night. Don't forget Sunday night, happy hour, 6 o'clock as well, Eastern time. All right.
Later.
Go ahead and make it and yeah. Let's go.
He the maestro. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.